What you got going on here? You got dreads?
Yeah.
So what'd you do? You just cut the back?
I just get 1.5 all over.
All over it.
1.5 all over.
And then in the front, what are you doing?
You don't do nothing. If this guy was creative, he could.
Creative, man. You did that yourself?
No. This been going. I had this headstock for about maybe 5 years.
5 years.
And it's evolved into this. This is the best iteration, man.
Okay, so he doesn't want to cut the zip ties, but he just wants to cut the ends, right?
Yes.
Hold the tip.
Ooh.
There you go.
Boom.
Yeah, these zippers.
Mm-hmm. They kind of, the electrical zip ties.
That
they put.
No, we good. We don't need fires.
The funny shit is gratis, right?
Yeah.
the comic relief is gratis. I don't have to pay for that, right? We used to have this guy that came on TV. His name was Johnny Carson.
All right, so how long you gonna let this grow?
I'm gonna let this grow forever. I'm 66 now, and it's always gonna be that way. It's been so many different.
How long you gonna let this grow?
I'm gonna let it grow until it comes in my face, and then I cut it. Then I cut the bottom off.
And the whole time you're gonna keep the zip ties on
The zip ties stay until such time as it.
Until it gets that long.
Until it gets what you call it what the dread. Until it dreads. Until it dreads permanently. You can move it around. Until it dreads permanently. See, I got a little bit of hair, but I look in the mirror and see that shit makes me mad. So I cover it up. I don't give a fuck. Nobody likes it except me. But I don't give a fuck because it's me. For 66 years, I've been doing me. If I get 66 more, I'ma still do me.
I heard that.
I told my man I had cancer like 7 years ago.
So let me ask you a question. When AutoZone sees you come in,
how you know
they must be happy, right?
How you know those things came from AutoZone?
I know, man. I know.
OG.
That's it.
They're a bag full of them at AutoZone.
They must get happy when they see you coming.
They see me, man. They know I'm gonna buy a bag full. Yep, these come from AutoZone.
Nice. Yeah, I know.
You know your shit.
I know my cars.
You've been around. See.
I know my cars supplies.
That's the thing called vintage. You know.
Yeah.
Grapes. You see these couple. You got a couple here.
What are they?
Let me see. They're facing.
Yeah, you got a couple more. You got
got a couple more. All right.
Yeah, get them all.
Yeah, we do.
I'm going to my daughter now.
Yeah, lift that up.
Yeah, lift it up so you can see.
What you got going on? Lift. Oh, this comes out.
Yep.
So what is this, like a hand? It looks like a hand.
It's like a hand.
Oh, so you just let it rest, so it's just connected. Wait. Don't put it down. Oh, so it's like a mini hat that you got on.
A mini hat.
Wow. It's not easy being a barber.